Ever tried typing a matrix on Microsoft Word Mobile and felt completely stuck? Like, why is something this simple suddenly so confusing on a phone? Don't worry, I've got you. So first, open your Word app on your phone. You can start a new document or just open the one you're working on. Next, go to the Insert menu. Scroll a bit until you find Equation. Tap that. Now here's the trick most people miss. Start by typing brackets like parentheses, square brackets, or curly braces. After that, just press Enter. Boom! You'll see a little box appear inside the brackets. That's where your matrix goes. From here, it's super easy. Use space to adjust spacing between numbers, and use Enter to move to the next row. Just fill in your matrix the way you want, and you're done. See? No complicated formulas, no stress. So next time you need to type a matrix on Word Mobile, you don't have to struggle anymore. Just follow these simple steps and get it done in seconds.